We're in charge at the beach.
Hey guys, so we are in Curacao, which I'm so excited. This is my first time in Curacao, and oh my gosh. So we're gonna get off the ship and go into the port of Curacao. I do have an excursion. The excursion is like a beach day with also some sort of like liquor tasting. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, but we're gonna get off the ship and I will see you then. Okay, I am off the ship and we are here in Curacao. Right now it's beautiful, beautiful weather. I'm excited. There's no rain, okay? Skies are blue. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the port area. And then, yeah, we're gonna join our excursion. So we shall see how this goes. I'm excited though. So it was really hot outside. It was. Mommy.
The outside pillars. You see the two white outside pillars on top? You see like a face. You see it? On top. You see the white pillars on top? You see like
on
the
the
parts of the
pillars.
face? You see the face?
You see the pillars?
Yes.
Yes.
You see it? And look at the guy's face in the middle here. He looks like he is mad.
So we're here at the Bonbini Liquor Distillery. So I guess we are going to see how they make the liquor and then do a little tasting of the liquor. So I'm gonna show you guys that. Oh, that's the golden orange of Curacao. Well, once we were inside, there was a lot of information of the history of Curacao, and also it gave a lot of information on how they make the liquor here at the distillery. So it was all cool to see and some great information as well. And at the end, we got to try some of the liquors that they have here. So this is where we got to try the liquors if you wanted to. And also at the end they had a gift shop so you can purchase them if you wanted to or not. But yeah, it was a good experience to try 3 liquors, I think it was, that they had for us. Here's the gift shop. Hey guys, so we are back on the ship and we are at Bonsai Sushi. Bonsai Sushi, and we're gonna eat some food. We're gonna have some ramen noodles, some miso soup, and I'm gonna have some chicken skewers. She's gonna have the bento box that she gets for free because we're in the family harbor. And then say hi.
Hi.
This is her birthday cruise, if you guys didn't know. But yeah, so we're gonna eat some food here at Bonsai Sushi. So I got my favorite drink from the Alchemy Bar, and it's called 40 is the New 20. It is delicious. All right, hey guys, so I'm out here on the sports deck. I hope you can hear me. It's nighttime, but it's only like 8 p.m. or 8:30. So I'm out here on the aft. You can see it a little bit, I don't know. But yeah, I just wanted to say, like, it's been a lot that has been going on this cruise, customer service wise, with Carnival. Now I'm not going to get into it on my vlogs. I'm going to make a whole separate video just because I want to address everything that I have experienced on this cruise on Carnival Horizon. Now I have been on this cruise. This was actually the last Carnival cruise I was on last November, exactly a year from now. A year ago. And I went on the 6th day. This is the 8th day, a year later. And I didn't experience what I experienced on this cruise. So I'm a little disappointed, I must say, in the customer service and just a lot of things in general that I don't think I took, I don't think that I acknowledged or knew about back then. I don't want to say acknowledged, but I want to say that I didn't know due to circumstances. But anyways, I'm not going to get into specifics, but like I said, check out my video that I'm going to have up pretty soon regarding all of that, so you can get a better idea of what I'm talking about, because it's a lot going on and I'm quite disappointed. So today we just left Curaçao, and we are on our way now back to Miami. So we have 2 sea days, tomorrow and the next day, and then we'll be back in Miami. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. I'm trying to make the best of it, but it kind of put a damper on a lot of things. But like I said, I will let you guys know about that in a separate video. But since we're out here at night, let me let you guys get a view of the deck at night. This is the deck. This is the aft of the pool. The aft of the ship, where the pool is. They have 2 jacuzzis and a pool. They have the Tides bar down here. They have the seafood shack over there, seafood shack, and the pizza place is back here as well. So this is what's going on. You can hang out down here and just take in the views. It's been really pretty out here. This is the sports deck that I'm on, though. The sports deck that I'm on. They have a basketball court. They have little fitness things right here. They do have a sky court, but it's a little loud. So, loud as far as windy. I don't know if you guys can hear me well. So, I'm going to get back with you in a minute. Good morning everyone. Today is Princess Chloe's birthday. She's 3, and we're headed to the Dr. Seuss breakfast. So I'm excited for that. Everybody say hi to Chloe. Happy birthday, Chloe. And you got money. Yay. Woo. So we're headed to Dr. Seuss breakfast. It's some sort of birthday theme, so that's why I did it. I've done it before on different cruises, but so we're doing it this time. I want to see what the difference is. We're going to the Reflections restaurant, and that's where it will take place. Chloe, say hi. Hi. This is straight up naked. Wow, look at the Dr. Seuss. No, yeah. Want to see? Look at the cat. Let's go take a picture. Want to take a picture? You scared? Come on, let's go. Let's see. Say hi. Go give high five. High five. Go give high five. Look, Chloe. Look. Wow. Go give high five. High five. Hi.
Hi, good morning.
2432.
2432.
Yes.
But you have 3?
Yes.
2423.
Who? I don't know. What's your problem? What's the problem with her? Golly. Hey, happy birthday. You know where the guy went?
I know.
Is that him over there? Okay.
242, right, sir?
Yes. Thank you. Wow, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. Hey. Hi. Say hi. 2432. I think that's it.
Coming in.
Here. Oh, whoever. Thank you. It's
There you go. Mister, are you in this picture?
He's very excited. He's like, yes.
In the middle, the other middle.
The other.
Any middle. Okay, push them to the side and join. There you go. Fabulous. Take it close. Cheese. Stay there. Cheese. One more. Perfect.
Happy birthday! Hi. Say hi.
Thank you.
The count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chloe. Happy birthday to you. Yeah.
So we're on deck 6, which is the IMAX theater, and they do have this new movie, Red One, which is the Christmas movie with The Rock, and so we're gonna watch it in the theater. That's one thing I do like about it. Oh, Chloe is still happy about her birthday. But this is the theater. This is the Thrill Theater that they used to have, but this is no longer in service, like at all. And it was through here, and you can go in here and watch it. They also have a seating area in here. But yeah, this is exactly where you buy your tickets. And this is where you would go to buy your tickets right here.
Yes, and a mountain tea, please. And you want to share Oh, I see.
So I saw red one when it first came out, but if you're ever on Carnival Horizon, make sure you check out the IMAX theater. It's amazing. But I'm gonna leave this video here. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.